I get a lot of people that ask me, is hypnosis like stage hypnosis? Is therapeutic hypnosis like stage hypnosis? And the answer is yes and no. I mean, we're using the same types of things, but where stage hypnosis are there to perform, and the people that go up are there to perform. The stage hypnotist is looking at how you're reacting to certain things and wanting to perform, and he selects those individuals to bring them up. And if you've seen a stage hypnosis show, you've also probably seen the hypnotist kind of send a few people away or off the stage because they are not quite there yet. When we come for therapeutic hypnosis, it's completely different. If we can get you in a relaxed state, you're going to be 200 times more suggestible than you are in a regular state, and we're going to use that. We're going to use that to help you achieve what you want, to help you create the life that you want. So give it a go and see what you can create in your life today.